Hello everyone, this is Jeff Lee, the card lover. Today I'll show and teach you a card trick called Butterfly Effect Prediction. Let's see how it looks like. So this is a deck with a prediction. There will be a lot of prediction right here. I'm going to place it right here in a full view. And then I have a deck of cards. They're completely normal. And then ask the spectator to choose a number between 1 and 10. It doesn't matter, any number. Let the spectator choose number 5, for instance. So what you have to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 5 cards and place it right there. In this case, 6 of clubs. So, you have a 6 of clubs, which means a 6 card. We have to deal down 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after that, I'm going to place the next card. In this case, the 10 of clubs, the 10. So I'm going to deal 10 cards down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then there is 3 of hearts. Next card is 3 of hearts. And then 1, 2, 3 cards down. The 6 of hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next card is 7 of spades. So I'm going to deal down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. And there you go, the 9 of diamonds. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. And the final card will be a jack of diamonds. So, because you choose the number 5, because the first card, it was a 6 of clubs. That leads to every single card, the 10 of clubs, 3 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of spades, 9 of diamonds, jack of diamonds. This thing is all butterfly effect. And that will lead to my prediction. I have a deck of cards. When you look at one by one, let's see the first card reversed. I have a 10 of clubs. When you keep going, there's the next card, the 3 of hearts, right? When you keep going, there's a 6 of hearts. When you keep going, there's a 7 of spades, the next card. And then when you keep going, there's a 9 of diamonds, the next card. And the final card, the jack of diamonds. So I got the all prediction correct one by one. So, this was the butterfly effect prediction, and thank you for watching. So, this is a quick tutorial about this trick. First of all, what you have to do is to prepare 10 cards in this order, 8 through 10. Okay, so it doesn't matter a suit, just the value, just the ace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't matter, okay? In this suit, place it on the top, and then place just any random card, little joker, doesn't matter. Place it on the top. After that, what you have to do is to you just select any number from 1 through 10. For example, let's say 3. So like 1, 2, 3, and then you know it's the 8 of spades. Reverse the card, and then you count the 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 10 of clubs, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. 3 of hearts. Count 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Next card is 6 of hearts, and then 2, 4, 6, 7 of spades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. Jack of diamonds. So, reverse every card, just like so. So, except for this card, you notice you reverse the 10 of clubs, the 3 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of spades, 9 of diamonds, jack of diamonds. You find these cards in this order and found these cards in another deck and place it reversed in that order. 10 of clubs, 3 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of spades, 9 of diamonds, jack of diamonds. Place in that order. And then place this deck inside the tuck case and prepare that this is a prediction deck. And then make your card reverse again, one by one, just like so. And then you place this deck inside the tuck case. And now you're all set. After you've done the setting, everything will be self-working. Just get the cards out, show the cards. The cards are all different. Say to the spectator, this is kind of a butterfly effect. So ask the spectator to select a number between 1 through 10. Let's say they say 7. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Deal the 7 cards down and then show the card. The 4 hearts. Okay? 4 hearts. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Because this is a butterfly effect, that this card will make everything goes on in this deck. So you selected 4 of hearts, so I'm gonna go down with 4 card. 1, 2, 3, 4 card. There will be a 10 of clubs, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 3 of hearts, and then I'm gonna do it 1, 2, 3 cards. 6 of hearts. There will be a 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card. The 7 of spades. I'm gonna deal 7 cards down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 9 of diamonds will come out. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then after I deal down, there's a jack of diamonds. After that, you just show the prediction of the deck. You can also make the spectator to open the tuck case and then look at the deck exactly where they want. So this was a quick tutorial about the trick. If you want to know more about the trick, please click the upper left corner here. Then you'll learn the key principle and my useful tips and details about the trick. Also, if you want to learn some other card tricks, click the upper right corner here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.